Alright, so today I'll be taking you through a Photoshop tutorial of how to design a simple poster flyer like this one. So this is already designed by me, but then I'll show you how I got the inspiration and all. So I'll start by turning off most of the layers which I do not need. Let me arrange this wall so that I could see the layers clearly. So I would make the color panel a little bit more smaller. Then the artboards, I'm using an artboard in case I want to do different kinds of designs, poster designs. Alright, so I came up with a lot of concepts, and I think the best is what you are seeing on your screen right now. So then let's dive straight into it. Okay, so first of all, since I'm planning on doing this video under 10 minutes, I'll just teach you this. So the fonts I used for the typography, or the typeface I used for the Happy New Month is Blackstreet. Okay, Blackstreet. You could use any other font which is a little bit cursive or a little bit script wise. It would work fine. And also I wanted to use a little bit of a funky font, so I used the Fido font to write the hello, so you could see the text in my layer. So hello, it's here, and then it's the Fido font I used, FIDO, Fido font, or Fido typeface or typography. Alright, so that being said, I just had to put rock graphics here, making every pixel work for you. So rock graphics is right in the corner there to give it a balance. And then this is how I got my grid. Okay, so I went to view and I went to guides, then I went to new guide layout. So if I click on new guide layout, I get to choose from here. You could use these ones later. Okay, you could use these ones by increasing the number of columns, let's say 10 and more, but I don't need the rows to can work around maybe 4 or something, just so it's divided, but I don't need them right now, so I'll just clear all of these. Then I set the top to, I check margin, set the top to 80, left to 80, bottom to match whatever was down there, and right to 80. So the bottom 110 pixels is what made it come up a little bit to fit the line there. Alright, so that being said, let's go to how I got my picture. So I wanted to bring about a little bit of a local imagery in my design. The picture is also real, but I've removed the background. So let me take you quickly through how I removed my background. Open Google briefly. So this is where I got the birds from Pinterest. If I go to Pinterest, you could see the skies. So I downloaded this very one. I went here and then downloaded the image. Okay, so we are done with the birds and all. Now I said I'll teach you how to remove the background. So instead of remove background, you can use remove.background or remove.bg, especially with respect to quality of my image. This is free, and then there's photo room. Photo room is equally free, and I think I prefer that one most often. Although if you want a very high quality, you'd have to pay for premium. I've not yet paid for premium, so I'm just using the free one. So you go to photo room, remove backgrounds instantly with AI, then you start from a photo. You can drag and drop. So let's click on the start from a photo. If I click on it, I go to my files and I select the bars image I downloaded from Pinterest. So this is the actual image, and you can see it's removing the background of it, and it gets me this. So after it gets me this, I can download it. So it's already down. You click on the download, which I've already downloaded. Choose standard resolution. If you go to my downloads, it's there. Then I drag and drop in Photoshop. So that is how come I had this here. Get it? Dragged and dropped in Photoshop. Okay, so let me just put this right here like so. So now we have that, and quickly let me take you through how I did the base.